If you've ever struggled to stay consistent with keto, or if you keep starting over every few weeks, you're not alone. Today, I want to walk you through something that's been a total game changer for me and for many of the people I coach. Having a specific action plan for each of your goals. Not vague intentions, but real step-by-step plans that move you forward. Let's dive in. Point number 1, break down the big goal. It's not enough to say, I want to lose 20 pounds or I want more energy. That's the destination. But what's the roadmap? Instead of focusing on the number, break it down into specific action steps, like limit carbs to 20 total grams or less daily. Plan at least 2 home-cooked meals per day. Drink water before every meal. Each of these is measurable and doable. Don't just chase a result. Plan the behavior that gets you there. Point number 2, plan for obstacles. Let's be real. Life doesn't wait for your meal prep schedule. There are family events, holidays, stressful work days. If you don't plan for those now, you'll be caught off guard. Ask yourself, what will I eat at a restaurant? What snacks do I keep on hand at work? What's my go-to when I don't feel like cooking? By planning for hard days before they happen, you stay in control instead of falling off track. Point number 3, reflect and adjust weekly. Every plan needs tuning. Each week, ask, what worked? What didn't? What will I do differently? Maybe you didn't stick to your water goal. Why? Was it time? Forgetfulness? Adjust and solve that, not just the behavior. This is how action plans turn into real momentum. It's not about perfection. It's about review and course correction. So if you're serious about keto success, stop relying on willpower and start relying on your plan. Your future self will thank you. Let me know in the comments what's one action you're going to plan this week. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more keto strategies like this. See you in the next video.